Good morning, students. Welcome you all. I hope you all are fit and fine. So, before this break, we have done chapter motion. I hope that chapter concept, numericals, application, everything is clear to you. So, in today's class, we are going to start a new chapter, chapter force and laws of motion. In class 8 also, we have studied about force. What do you mean by force? We have learned this definition. Pushing or pulling on an object is called force. If you are pushing something, pushing a door, pulling a drawer, ठीक है, kneading a dough. Kneading means आटा गूंदना, kneading a dough. So kneading, when you do kneading, when you knead the dough means you are actually pressing, means pushing. So all the actions like pressing, throwing, so all these actions can be expressed in the term of push or pull. So in all the cases, we are applying force. So pushing or pulling is called force. So what is the definition of a force? It can be defined as push or pull. And it is a vector quantity. Vector quantity means it has magnitude as well as direction. And its SI unit is Newton. Newton is expressed by capital N. Okay, whenever you will calculate force, suppose you have calculated the value of the force is 5. तो आप कौन सी यूनिट लगाएंगे साथ में? फोर्स. इफ यू आर कैलकुलेटिंग फोर्स, द यूनिट इज न्यूटन, तो मींस 5 न्यूटन. ओके. Secondly, effects of force. What are the effects of force? Force can change the shape, size. How can you say shape and size? Suppose you have a new toothpaste, आपके पास new toothpaste है, and when you press it, means you are applying force. So when you press it, what happens after that? उसकी shape में changes आ जाते हैं. Okay, so this is the effect of force कि you are applying the force and it changes its shape. Toothpaste changes its shape. And another example you can take for the spring. If you stretch the spring or you compress the spring, उसका size, उसकी length जो है वो change हो जाती है. Direction of motion. In the case of badminton, when you hit the shuttle सामने से आ रही है and if you hit the shuttle in towards left, so it will go towards left. If you will hit the shuttle towards right, it will go towards the right. So it is changing the direction of motion. You are applying force, and on applying that force, you are changing the direction of motion of an object. And force also changes the speed of a body. You are riding a bicycle, you applied brakes. As you will apply brakes, so what happens? The speed of a bicycle get reduces and then bicycle comes to rest. उसकी speed जो है वो कम होगी after the application of brakes. आप brakes लगा रहे हैं means you are applying a force. Okay. So similarly, it can increase the speed of a body. So force के effects क्या है? It can change the shape, size, direction of motion and speed of a body. The next topic is balanced force. To understand the balanced force, see the figure. In the game of tug of war, two teams are here, team 1 and team 2, or you can say team A and team B. Both are applying force in opposite direction. These arrows represent the direction of force. Okay, team A is applying force towards left and team B is applying force towards right. Okay, so direction of force applied by both teams are opposite to each other. And see the magnitude of the force. It is 300 Newton and here also it is 300 Newton. So which team will win? No one, because both teams are applying equal forces. So when the forces are equal in magnitude and they are in different directions, they are in different directions, so they will cancel out each other. उनका effect जो है वो cancel out हो जाएगा, and there will be no change. There will be no change in the state of motion. You can say कि neither this team will go towards left nor this team will go towards right. Okay, so how will you define balanced force? When equal amount of forces, mean forces are equal in magnitude and their directions are different. So what will happen? Their effects get cancelled out in each other, and there will no change in the state of an object. Okay, so these forces are said to be balanced. 300 न्यूटन 300 न्यूटन acting in the opposite direction. जैसे आप मैथ्स में पढ़ते हैं, +2 and -2 get cancel each other, answer is 0. Similarly here, equal magnitude is there, 300 but they are acting in opposite direction, so their effect is 0. The effect is 0 means there will be no change. These forces are said to be balanced forces. Okay, so we have concluded कि जब भी balance force होगा, there will be no change in the state of motion. Object की state में कोई changes नहीं आएंगे. Okay, so second topic, another topic is unbalanced forces. Unbalanced forces mean, see here, this figure, forces are acting in the opposite direction. Same game, tug of war है, ठीक है, forces are acting in opposite direction, but team A is exerting a force of 400 Newton and here team B is exerting the force of 300 Newton. So equal नहीं है ना, ये 400 है, ये 300 है, so these are unbalanced forces. So when forces are applied to an object, like इस रोप से इस रोप के ऊपर, this is an object, ये force लगा रहे हैं and it is of different magnitude, so these forces are said to be unbalanced force. तो क्या इफेक्ट होगा? This team, team B will move towards team A, क्योंकि यहाँ force ज्यादा लग रहा है, तो ये जो टीम है इसका मोशन जो है इस तरफ हो जाएगा. So there is change in the state of an object. Okay, so due to unbalanced forces, we can say there is a change in the state of an object. But in the case of balanced forces, there is no change. Okay, and see, the team is moving towards in the direction of greater force. यहाँ मैग्नीट्यूड ज्यादा है ना, 400 न्यूटन, तो टीम बी जो है वो इस तरफ ही, जहां ग्रेटर फोर्स लग रहा है उसी डायरेक्शन में टीम बी विल मूव. ओके, so next is net force. What do you mean by net force? When multiple forces acting on a body, they can be resolved into one component. Means like one object is here, a wooden box, say it is a wooden box and it is lying on the floor. मैं इस बॉक्स को F1 फोर्स लगाकर towards left जो है इसको पुल कर रही हूँ, and there is a second member, F2 is the force exerting by second member, suppose. Okay, so F2 जो है वो भी 5 न्यूटन फोर्स लगा रहा है in the same direction towards left. So see, the direction of F1 and F2 is same. तो ये इनका रिजल्टेंट कितना आ जाएगा? इनको हम दोनों को सॉल्व करेंगे तो what do we will get? So when the two forces are acting in the same direction, like F1 and F2, they are acting in the same direction. तो इनका रिजल्टेंट हम कैसे कैलकुलेट करेंगे? We will add these forces, means F1 plus F2 हो जाएगा. तो net force, total force will be equal to 10 Newton. towards left. Okay, now you see the right hand side. Third person is exerting a force, and he is trying to pulling that box towards right with a force of 7 न्यूटन. अब यहाँ जो है 7 न्यूटन का फोर्स लग रहा है. ओके, यहाँ जो फोर्स है टुवर्ड्स लेफ्ट इट इज 10 न्यूटन एंड टुवर्ड्स राइट इट इज 7 न्यूटन. नाउ सी द डायरेक्शन ऑफ दीज फोर्सेस. दिस इज टुवर्ड्स लेफ्ट, F3 towards right. So direction of both forces are opposite. So what you will do, how you will calculate the net force if the direction of two forces are opposite to each other? So resultant will be equal to the subtraction of those two forces. अब यहाँ आपने calculate किया था कि 10 न्यूटन आया. Both forces are acting in the same direction and the answer is 10 Newton. And here it is 7 Newton. So what is the net force? 10 minus 7, that is 3 Newton. And in which direction the box will move? Where the force is greater, where the magnitude of force is greater. यहाँ 10 है and यहाँ is 7. So towards this direction, towards left, the box will move. Okay. The next is force of friction. This already you have studied in class 8. What do you mean by force of friction? You have studied the types of forces, contact and non-contact forces. So this is a type of contact force. It acts between two objects. Okay. And those two objects are in contact with each other. See the figure here. These two boxes, the violet one and the green one. These two boxes are in contact with each other. अगर आपने इस बॉक्स को स्लाइड कराना है over the green box, you are applying force in this direction. Arrows are representing the direction. You are applying force in this direction towards right. तो motion box भी जो है इधर ही move करेगा towards right, but frictional force offered by this surface will act towards left, because frictional force always opposes motion. वो motion को हमेशा रोकता है, oppose करता है, resist करता है. So frictional force जो है it always acts in a opposite direction to the direction of motion. आप motion जो है box जो है वो इधर move कर रहा है and frictional force is acting towards left. So how will you define the force of friction? It is a contact force between two surfaces that opposes the direction of motion of an object. और frictional force की direction क्या होगी? Opposite to the direction of motion of an object. So till this topic you have studied in class 8 also. Okay. So revise these topics from your books and watch the videos carefully. In the next class, we will start Newton's law, Newton's first law. Okay. Thank you class and have a nice day.